All right, guys. So according to Sawyer, Tesla just launched the new Tesla Model Y L in 8 different markets, and the fact that they are discontinuing like the Model X, I'm pretty sure, mark my word for this, that this is going to be coming to United States. But for now, it's going to be available in Japan, Thailand, South Korea, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Macau, and Philippines. Right? So ordering is available now, and delivery can start as soon as this month, which is amazing. So with this one, the configurations is 2x2x2, so which is total 6. It's really nice. I don't see the reason for them to keep the Model X, because now that Tesla are going to be expanding, they want to reach out to more and more people. So I think this is going to be here. And then if you guys want to order this, even I want to order this. I might even trade in my old Model Y for a 6-seater like this. It's longer, the configuration is better, right? Really nice. So let me know, are you gonna order one if it comes to the United States?